Hello students, this is Mr. Amarjyoti Nath, your physics mentor. Today also I am coming with a short video discussing numerical problems, okay, and I hope you love it, okay, and try to understand the concept. In fact, before I solve, you will try to solve it, okay, and write your queries in the comment box. And also please share with your friends, and also please subscribe my channel so that you can get the notifications of regular such updates, okay. The question is this, okay, please go through it. There is an infinite wire grid with cells in the form of equilateral triangles. The resistance of each wire between the neighboring joint is connection is R0. The net resistance of the whole grid between the point A and B is, okay. We need to find out the net resistance between point A and B. Well, so what you can feel here, actually assume that it is connected with a battery, okay, say V-volt battery, okay, and other is also connected here. So I current flows through it. So it means what is the net opposition to the flow of current? What is the net opposition provided by this infinite grid to the flow of charge? That is nothing but the equivalent resistance only, okay. So we are going to use an interesting technique also here, okay, that is called superposition technique. And of course, using this technique you can solve lot of this type of problems, okay. Infinite grid problems you can solve it, okay. So what is the technique? Let me discuss it, okay. First, you assume that that one part of the battery, okay, say the negative terminal is grounded. So grounded means what? Potential of this point is 0. So say the I current is entering at the point A, okay. Now I current will be bifurcated, okay, in all the branches, in first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, altogether 6 branches. In all the 6 branches current will be bifurcated and the current will be equal at every branch. Why this is so? Because the current is going to infinity, because it's the aim of the current is to meet the 0 potential point, and 0 potential point is at the infinity only, because the grid is spreading up to infinity. So that is why every branch the current will be same. As the net current entering is I, so it means current through this branch will be what? I by 6, okay, because we have divided into 6 parts. So that is if this point is grounded, okay. Now what do you assume it? In the second case you assume that, say this branch is not there, okay, and here we just connect this point with the B point, okay, and other part positive terminal now is grounded. In the previous part negative terminal was grounded, now the positive terminal was grounded, okay. Now the current, that same current will be collected, because the pattern is everything same, voltage is same, okay. I current will be collected now. As I current is collected, okay, from B point I current will coming towards the battery. So it means current has to be deposited also through this branch, 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 so and through this branch also. So how many branches are there which meets at B point? This is the B point, okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, 6 currents entering at this point, okay, and finally coming out through B. Well, and again you see this point is a 0 potential, and infinite point, the points at the infinity can be assumed at a 0 potential. So it means that current will be collected from uniformly in all directions at the point B and directly come to the that will come towards the battery, okay. So it means now also we can say that current in every branch will be same, and which will be I by 6, I by 6, I by 6, okay. So it means this branch also I by 6, this branch also I by 6, it means this branch also I by 6. Actually you see, neither previous situation was correct, now this situation was correct individually, okay. Actually what I do, actually I just connect this both the terminals, okay, to points A and B simultaneously, okay. So it means the current in this branch, okay, will be superimposed. In the previous case it was I by 6, now also I by 6, so it means altogether the current will be I by 3, okay. Now think of this branch only, okay, let me draw that branch only. In this branch you can see, say this is the branch A and B, okay, and battery is connected here. Well, so in this branch resistance is R0 and current is I0 I by 3. So if I apply Kirchhoff's law, so V is equal what? Current into resistance only. Well, so V by I ratio is what? R0 by 3 only. And what is V? That V is the net voltage across the terminals A and B, okay. And what is I? I is the net current. I is the net current, V is the net voltage, and the ratio of net voltage to net current is called the net voltage to net current is called the net resistance, okay. This is nothing but the resistance, equal to R0 by 3, okay. So it means final answer is what? The resistance between A and B for whole the network, it is R0 by 3 only, okay. Hope you enjoyed this problem, okay. In this type of problems, if you need if you have more queries, please write in the comment box, so I'll come time to time, okay. Thank you. Please share the video. Good luck.